So we are asked to graph the algebraic inequality for this word description. A number is at most negative 34. So the numbers that we're describing on our graph that we're going to display on our number line have to be at the most negative 34. So I'm going to start by numbering my number line. I'm going to put negative 34 in the middle. It really doesn't matter which tick mark you use for it. But I do like to put it here so that I can put numbers to the left of it that will show me the smaller side of negative 34 going smaller, and to the right, which will show me the numbers that are getting bigger compared to negative 4. So negative 34 to the left is negative 35 and negative 36. To the right would be negative 33 and negative 32. All right, so from there, I need to decide if this is an open dot or a closed dot. It says a number is at most. The most it can be is negative 34. That implies an open circle. So I'm going to, of course, use my circle and line tools to graph this. Select the circle tool, select fill the shape, and put that solid point on negative 34 because that's the most it can be. Now I'm going to think about which way to shade on this. Am I going to shade to the right? Whoops, still in my circle mode. Am I going to shade to the right of negative 34 or to the left of negative 34? The most it can be is negative 34. The biggest is negative 34. So I have to shade to the left. I've got to grab all the numbers that are smaller than negative 34 so that negative 34 is the most on my number line of solutions. So I'm going to grab the line tool. I'm going to grab a nice thick line other than black. I want to use another color so it stands out on the number line so no one has to guess that I've shaded it. And I'm going to put an arrow on the end to indicate that my solutions begin at negative infinity. They keep going all the way to negative infinity and they come up to negative 34 and stop on negative 34, making negative 34 the most. And that's it.